Hello and welcome to Ms. Shaw's High Frequency Words Learning video for Monday, September 21st. So this week we have three new high frequency or sight words: have, is, and he. So we should have a total after this week of 9 total sight words. Objective. What will I do today? So today we're working with have, is, and he. Today I will identify and read high frequency words have, is, and he by reading sight word flashcards and reading page 97 in my student journal. And here is the text that we are working with. Here are our new sight word flashcards. Have, is, he. Your job after you review the new sight words for the week is to turn to page 97 in your student journal, and you can read along with me. My words to know. So here are our 3 sight words for the week. H-E, he. I-S, is. H-A-V-E, have. So now you're going to read these sentences. Follow along with your finger. He is a cat. Let's read a little bit faster now. He is a cat. I have a map. I have a map. So if you are getting familiar with your sight words, you should be able to read other words in the sentences, like the word I and the word a. If you know the other sight words, it will make your sentences easier to read. That's why we practice our sight words every day. Okay, thank you for joining me for Monday's sight word lesson.